Have you ever wondered about the science packed into your smartphone? Every time you pick up your device, you're holding a marvel of modern engineering, one that relies on invisible forces to function seamlessly. One of its most vital and ancient components is the magnet. Magnets have been fascinating humans for thousands of years, from the earliest lodestones to the high-tech materials inside your phone. Your phone contains at least 8 tiny, powerful magnets, some smaller than a grain of rice, performing crucial tasks like making your phone vibrate and helping the camera focus. Without these miniature powerhouses, many of your phone's features simply wouldn't work. These aren't ordinary fridge magnets. They're engineered for strength, able to lift objects many times their size if scaled up. The magnets in your phone are made from rare earth materials, giving them incredible power in a tiny package. Magnets are the silent heroes of our digital age, working behind the scenes in speakers, sensors, and more. They help deliver crisp sound, enable wireless charging, and even keep your phone screen closed with a satisfying snap. Their presence is everywhere. 87% of American households have at least one magnet on the fridge. Magnets have become a part of our daily rituals, from holding up reminders to powering our favorite gadgets. Magnets have evolved from mysterious rocks to essential parts of our daily routines. Their journey mirrors our own technological progress, adapting and transforming alongside us. Next time you use your phone or grab a note from your fridge, remember the incredible journey of the magnet, a story spanning thousands of years. These tiny objects connect our past to our present in ways we rarely notice. This invisible force is woven into the fabric of our modern existence, connecting and powering our world. Magnets are everywhere, quietly shaping the technology we depend on every day. Let's explore how magnets have shaped our lives in ways you might never have expected. Their story is far from over, and it's still unfolding in your pocket right now. The story of magnets begins over 2,500 years ago in ancient Greece, where curious shepherds stumbled upon a mysterious black rock called magnetite, also known as lodestone, that seemed to pull on their iron tools as if by magic. This strange force sparked wonder and fascination, setting the stage for centuries of discovery. Across the world, ancient Chinese innovators experimented with lodestone, floating it on water to create the very first compass. This simple yet ingenious invention revolutionized navigation, allowing travelers and explorers to find their way with newfound confidence. The compass unlocked new trade routes, connecting distant civilizations and opening up the world in ways previously unimaginable. It became a vital tool for sailors, merchants, and adventurers, shaping the course of history. In the 1600s, English scientist William Gilbert proposed that Earth itself is a giant magnet, laying the foundation for our modern understanding of electromagnetism. His groundbreaking work inspired generations of scientists to explore the invisible forces that shape our world. Fast forward to the 1950s, William Zimmerman invented the refrigerator magnet, transforming magnets from scientific curiosities into playful household icons. Suddenly, magnets were everywhere, brightening up kitchens and holding up cherished notes and photos. Magnets also found practical uses in unexpected places. Farmers began feeding cows strong magnets to prevent hardware disease, protecting their livestock by collecting stray bits of metal swallowed while grazing. What began as a simple curiosity became a powerful tool for exploration, safety, and daily convenience. Magnets found their way into science labs, factories, and homes, quietly shaping our lives. Magnets moved from the realm of magic to the world of science, guiding ships across oceans and holding up family photos on refrigerator doors, bridging the gap between the extraordinary and the everyday. Their journey through history reflects our growing understanding of the natural world and our endless curiosity to unlock its secrets. Today, magnets are woven into the very fabric of everyday life, both whimsical and essential, from high-speed trains and medical machines to the simple joy of a magnet holding a memory on your fridge. The next leap in magnet technology came in the 1980s, as two scientists, John Croat in the US and Masato Sagawa in Japan, raced to create a stronger, affordable magnet. Both experimented with rare earth elements, seeking a breakthrough for electric motors and electronics. In 1982, they independently invented the same powerful alloy: neodymium, iron, and boron. Their discoveries converged at a scientific conference, leading to a landmark agreement between General Motors and Sumitomo. This collaboration birthed the neodymium magnet, the king of permanent magnets. Neodymium magnets revolutionized industries, powering everything from tiny headphones to massive wind turbines. The simultaneous discovery showed how global innovation can reshape technology. The supermagnet's strength and affordability changed what was possible in electronics and beyond. Today, neodymium magnets are at the heart of countless modern devices. Creating a neodymium magnet is a feat of modern alchemy, blending science, precision, and a touch of magic to produce one of the world's strongest permanent magnets. It all begins in a spotless clean room, where neodymium, iron and boron are carefully weighed to exacting standards. These raw materials are then melted together at temperatures soaring above 1300 degrees Celsius, forming the foundation of the magnet. The molten alloy is rapidly cooled on a spinning wheel, a process called melt spinning. This sudden cooling transforms the metal into brittle flakes, each with a unique microscopic structure essential for magnetic power. These metallic flakes are then ground into an ultra-fine powder. The powder is pressed into a mold, while a powerful magnetic field is applied, aligning every grain perfectly in the same direction. This precise alignment is the secret behind the magnet's incredible strength, ensuring that each particle contributes to the overall magnetic force. The pressed block is then sintered, heated just below its melting point, so the grains fuse together into a dense, solid mass, locking in the structure. Next, the solid block is cut and shaped with diamond tools or precision lasers, forming the exact size and shape needed for its final application. Finally, a massive electric pulse is applied, locking in the magnetic alignment and transforming the inert block into a powerful, fully functional magnet. Each step is critical, with rigorous quality control ensuring every magnet meets the highest standards of strength and reliability. The result is a tiny powerhouse, ready to drive electric motors, power speakers, and enable countless advanced technologies in our daily lives. Through this remarkable process, raw elements are transformed into the invisible engines that power our modern world, making possible everything from renewable energy to cutting-edge electronics. Neodymium magnets are astonishingly strong. A coin-sized magnet can crush a finger if mishandled. Their power comes from perfectly aligned crystals, but they have a weakness. They rust easily. Without protection, these magnets would crumble into dust, losing their strength. Manufacturers coat them with layers of nickel, copper, or epoxy to shield against moisture and corrosion. Each magnet undergoes rigorous quality control, testing strength, pole orientation, and heat resistance. Magnets are carefully packed with spacers to contain their powerful fields during shipping. This attention to detail ensures safety and performance from factory to final use. The combination of immense power and fragility makes handling these magnets both fascinating and hazardous. Neodymium magnets are marvels of engineering, strong but demanding respect. Neodymium magnets are the champions of strength, but ferrite magnets, also called ceramic magnets, are the affordable workhorses. Ferrite magnets are made from iron oxide and barium or strontium carbonate, making them cheap and corrosion resistant. Their manufacturing process is similar. Powders are pressed, aligned in a magnetic field, and fired in a kiln. Ferrite magnets are less powerful but ideal for bulk applications like fridge magnets, speakers, and toys. Neodymium magnets are chosen for high-tech devices, where maximum power in minimal space is essential. Smartphones, earbuds, electric cars. The choice between ferrite and neodymium is a trade-off cost versus performance. Ferrite magnets excel in durability and price. Neodymium magnets win in strength and miniaturization. Both types are vital. One powers advanced innovations, the other keeps everyday objects working. In the world of magnets, there's room for both the racehorse and the workhorse. Each plays a unique role in our technology-driven lives. China dominates the world's rare earth magnet industry, producing over 90% of neodymium magnets. This control extends from mining to refining and manufacturing, making China the global gatekeeper. Neodymium magnets are critical for electric vehicles, military hardware, and renewable energy. A supply disruption could halt key industries worldwide. Western governments are investing heavily to rebuild domestic rare earth industries and reduce dependence on China. Re-establishing supply chains is slow and costly, but vital for economic and national security. China's monopoly gives it significant leverage in global trade and politics. The race is on to diversify sources and secure the invisible force powering our modern world. Magnets have become a strategic resource, shaping international relations as much as technology. Magnets are the invisible engines inside our most advanced technology. AirPods snap into place, laptop hard drives store data, and speakers create sound, all thanks to magnets. Neodymium magnets enable miniaturization, packing power into tiny devices. In homes, magnets drive direct-drive washing machines, making them quieter and more efficient. Electric vehicles like the Tesla Model Y rely on over 1 kilogram of neodymium magnets for powerful, efficient motion. In medicine, MRI machines use colossal superconducting magnets to see inside the human body without harmful radiation. These magnets align water molecules, creating detailed images for diagnosis. From old factories to cutting-edge labs, magnets have become indispensable. They're the silent partners in our progress, powering motors, storing data, creating sound, and saving lives. Without magnets, the machinery of our modern world would simply stop. From ancient lodestones to smartphone components, the journey of the magnet mirrors human curiosity and innovation. Magnets have evolved from natural wonders to essential tools, silently powering our daily lives. They're in toothbrush motors, fridge seals, credit cards, headphones, cars, and power generation. The discovery of the compass opened the globe. The neodymium magnet unleashed a wave of technological advancement. The story of Croat and Sagawa shows that scientific progress is a global endeavor. Today, magnets are at the center of technology and geopolitics, shaping our world in profound ways. Next time you see a fridge magnet, remember the incredible story it represents, a testament to our ability to harness invisible forces. Our lives are held together by the simple, powerful pull of the magnet.